Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you my new computer that my stepdad was very kind to give me. This is a Dell Windows XP. I don't know if you guys remember what XP is, but ages ago, the hot computer that was really expensive, it used to be like $3,000, but then they got cheaper. Not the Dells, but the other models. So basically what this is it's a computer. It's a very old computer. It gets cranky sometimes, but the good thing about old computers is they don't have a brain. So anyone who's used to hacking on Windows 10, good luck using your tools on this. This is a Windows XP computer. You can totally still hack it. It's actually really weak, but you're going to have to read the manual, and please don't hack me. Also, this is what a Windows XP used to look like. So for those of you who grew up on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or, God forbid, Mac OS, sorry for make that, that's not a taking the name in vain, but so here is, I hope no one analyzed the sound to figure out what my password is. This is what computers used to sound like, and they used to have this really cool software. I think computers have gotten less cool. Like, as they've gotten smarter, they have gotten less cool. It says, requires your attention. Support for this operating system has ended, and blah blah blah, buy a new computer. Absolutely not. We are playing on this potato of a computer. I'm just going to go to graphics options, actually no, properties, and we are going to change the Windows, my current theme. Where is that? How do I change the picture? Browse. What do I do? I haven't used Windows XP in so long, so I completely forgot how to use it. Windows Classic. I think this is what I want. No, not Windows Classic. More themes online. Let's see if we can go online. Does this work? Does the internet work on my computer? Oh dear. Oh, it does. Restore. Oh, no way. YouTube works on Windows XP. This has 1 GB of RAM. For those who don't know, 1 GB of RAM is not very much RAM. It says I can't use it because clock is behind. That is fine. We can fix that. We just right click on here, go customize. No, not customize notifications. Sorry. Wrong button. Click on this, and we go adjust date and time. What's the date today? I don't know what the date today is. Come on. Is it March 1st? No, it's not March 1st. It's April, like, 14th. Or something. Apply. Okay. Please work. Please work. Oh, no. What does it say now? Because your computer's date and time is the 14th. Okay, maybe it's the 15th now. What is this? Adjust date and time. 15. Apply. Okay. Refresh. Does it work? Nope, doesn't work. We're just playing a guessing game at this point. Oh, no, I know what it is. Adjust date and time. We've got the wrong month. April. Apply. Okay. Please work. Pretty please work. Please load. I had it working before. It's just, I'm going to have to go figure out what the date is. What is the date? I don't even know what the date is. How can I not know what the date is? I don't have a phone, so I don't normally check for what the date is. Wearing this new Hacksmith coat, by the way, it's excellent. It is so warm, it gets really cold here in New Zealand. Not as cold as Canada, obviously, but it does get really cold in some places. It is the 15th, alright. We know that it's the 15th in my country. We might have to accommodate for America and make it the 14th because they're a day behind us. Exactly. Right. Adjust date and time. 14th of April. Oh, wrong year. 2024. Apply. Open. Oh, I got a pop sound. What is that? Is that a reward? No way! Did I just get Windows XP to load YouTube?
Aotearoa New Zealand is a nation built on SMEs, and out there supporting them are smart business hubs.
Alright, this guy's gonna get free advertising just because I'm feeling in a good mood.
Who get to know
Oh dear. The RAM is potato. It can't handle. The potato RAM cannot handle the YouTube.
your business. Spark Business Hubs, supporting a nation of small and medium businesses.
No way is this working. It's loading my YouTube channel on 1 gigabyte of RAM.
New Zealand is a nation built on SMEs and out there supporting.
What is an SME? I don't even know what an SME. Smart Business Hub.
Every region with local experts who get to
What is this advertising? Why am I getting advertised? I'm not used to
small and
advertising.
medium businesses.
Okay, come on. Oh, heck yes. I can play my sick tunes on this Windows XP with 1 gigabyte of RAM.
Hold on tight. David Wells, he's a sapphire king. Armored up, ready to sing. A battle of minds, a clash of styles. This ain't your reggae rap, it's gonna go wild. Steady talking, he's on fire. His verse is electric, you can't deny ya. Wordplay, shot, accolades, the beat, he's a rap game's futuristic dream. He's on fire, his verse is electric, you can't deny ya. Wordplay sharp like a laser beam, he's the rap game's futuristic dream.
Anyway, despite the AI music praising myself, I feel quite proud that I have, pride come before a fall. I feel quite pleased. I feel quite adequately pleased and suffice with the ability to like YouTube videos and subscribe on a Windows XP computer. If I can do this on a Windows XP computer, surely you with your Alienware can drop a single sub for me getting YouTube to work on a Windows XP from 2020 years ago. This is a really old PC, but I'm pretty sure we can beef it up with 4 gigs of RAM. I don't really want to pull the tab and pop the hood. I gotta pop the hood. This is my Windows XP boss PC. I'm not actually gonna pop the hood because it's a pain to put it back on. But oh no, but it's a potato. But it works. What is this? Is it loading the next video? No way is it loading the next video. Look how slow this is. It's slow, but I reckon 4 gigs of RAM and we can make it work just fine. We just gotta go to the scrapyard and see if I can hustle for 3 single gig chips for an old Dell computer. And you know what? It was crazy. I got this for free. The guy was just chucking it away. I don't know why he chucked it away. This thing is a beast. I mean, it's not a beast, but it's, you know, it's cool. It's still very cool. It's got 1 gigabyte of RAM. Don't know what the processor is. The Indian guy who sold it to the guy who was going to give it to me said that it was top of the line, and in its day it would have been top of the line, but in these days standards 1 gigabyte of RAM is just a potato in the end of the day. Come on, can I skip? No way can I skip. No way can I watch my Minecraft videos. It's loading Minecraft videos. I can watch my Call of Duty and Minecraft on Hypixel's. If you go to Hypixel, they've got this minigame called what's it called? They've got a minigame and it's called Zombies, and this is the dead end map, and you can it's basically Call of Duty but in Minecraft. If you're wondering why there's little boxes around the people, it's not because I'm using a hacked client. It's because if you press F3 and B, it shows the hitbox. Anyway, thanks for watching my potato of a computer. Have an excellent day. I hope your computer is better than mine, because mine is a potato, but it works, and that's all that matters, is that it works. It's very cool. I can't wait to upgrade this thing and pimp it out. Anyway, have an excellent day. Goodbye.